Hey guys, in this video I'll be telling you how you can make money online without spending a single penny, even if you have tried everything before. So if you don't know me, my name is Saurabh and this channel is all about latest product reviews, tips and tricks on affiliate marketing and a lot more. So the best way to make money online without spending a single penny is, by the way, through affiliate marketing. So I've done a complete series of trainings on affiliate marketing. The link to those will be in the description down below. You can go ahead and check them out for more detailed information. But in a nutshell, affiliate marketing is the concept where you have to promote a product, a digital product or a physical product which has been created by another vendor, and you just have to promote it and make commissions for every sale. So this is the affiliate marketing in a nutshell. So all you need is a product and a traffic source. By traffic, I mean the eyeballs to your offer, the people who are going to buy that product from you. So how you can do that without spending any money, this is what I'll be covering in this video. So there are different ways with which you can do affiliate marketing. You can promote physical products, you can promote digital products, but I will keep this video scope for just digital products. So because that is what I promote only digital products, and those digital products are trainings and ebooks, or it could be anything else. So from where you need to find those products, first of all, that's the first question which comes in the mind. So for that, let me just take you inside my computer and show you three different marketplaces from where you can find these digital products. So the first marketplace is Warrior Plus. So Warrior Plus is a marketplace where there are a lot of digital products in make money online niche are being released and launched. So you can just simply create an account for yourself on Warrior Plus. It is hardly going to take 5 minutes, and then you can go in the marketplace and look for different products, as you can see. So this is going to be your first place to find the digital products. The second place which I'll be telling you about is known as clickbank.com. Just create an account on clickbank.com, and with clickbank you will find different niches. By niche I mean different categories. So not only you will find products in make money online or internet marketing, but also on cooking, health and fitness, education, parenting. So you will find all sort of different digital products on ClickBank. There are also physical products, but if you're just starting out, I will just advise you not to go ahead with the physical products for now. So this is the second marketplace for finding products. The third one is known as JVZoo. So again, this is a marketplace where digital products in make money online, internet marketing categories are being launched, and mostly you will find software, cloud-based software products on JVZoo. So after you have created your account, after you have got your affiliate link to promote, then comes the question how you need to promote that without spending any money. So the best way to promote these products are on a website called Quora.com. So if you don't know what is Quora, Quora is a question and answer website where there are people asking questions on different topics, and those topics can be related to anything. It can be related to affiliate marketing, it can be related to health and fitness, politics, or whatever. So this is a question and answer website. So what you need to do, you just need to create an account for yourself on Quora. That is absolutely free. Create a nice profile on Quora, and then pick up the relevant questions to answer. So let's say you can search for questions on affiliate marketing. So you can just go ahead and search for affiliate marketing on Quora. So similarly, you can find other topics as well on Quoras. As you can see, these are the different questions which people are asking. Let's say, how can I rank my website? There are three answers. And how can I earn $100 per day with affiliate marketing? So do not worry that you don't know the answers to these questions. So I'll be telling you how you can find the answers as well. So all you can do, just go to Google and type that particular question. Let's say how to earn $100 and affiliate, this one. So you will find the different blogs telling you information about how you can make $100 per day using affiliate marketing. So just go through those blogs and just get what they're asking, and then rephrase that in your own words on Quora. So then answer those questions on Quora in your own words by searching from Google. That is when you don't know the answer to a particular question. But if you know the answer, you can straight away reply to that. Now you must be asking, Saurabh, okay, that is all well and good. We can answer questions, but how will I promote my affiliate links? Okay, in order to promote affiliate links, you need to be a bit careful on Quora, that you should not be posting your affiliate links in all the questions, in all the answers which you are posting. So the best strategy is, once you create your profile on Quora, for few days, for 2 3 days, just keep on answering the questions without posting any links. Just answer like 20 25 questions every day without posting any links, and then later on, maybe on second or third day, you can answer questions. Let's say on third day you are going to answer 5 questions, then your three answers should be without links, and your fourth answer on third day should be with your affiliate link. You can refer people to your website or blog or whatever. So this is the safest way. This is the way with which you can promote your offers. If you've got a YouTube video, if you want to refer people to a YouTube video, you can do that. But be careful, do not just post links in each and every question. And let me just show you my profile, and let me show you, how much views what I've got on my answers. So in last 30 days, I've got 199 views. Let me just change it to all time, and you can see I've got 15,000 views and 5 shares and 32 upvotes. Upvotes are when people like your answer, they will upvote your answer. So you can see this is a free traffic source which you can use to get started with affiliate marketing. Even if you have no money, you do not need any money, you do not need any single penny to create accounts on these marketplaces. You do not need any money to answer questions. All you need to do, just do it carefully, do it with, as long as you are within the limits, and this way you will start getting traffic to your blog, to your offer, and you are going to get sales using this strategy. So guys, I hope you got some value out of this video, and if you need to learn more about affiliate marketing, there is a link in the description down below. That's the full course on affiliate marketing. Feel free to check it out, and thank you very much for watching. I will see you again in my next video. Cheers.